How to use Workflow Builder on Slack. So in this video, I'll show you how to use Workflow Builder on Slack. So to get started, go ahead and open Slack into your preferred device. And then once you're on Slack, go ahead and sign into your account and then click on this Add Apps button at the Tools section. Click on Workflows at the left side of your screen, and then from here, go ahead and click on this Create a Workflow button or Create Workflow button. So you can go ahead and click on the New button at the top right if you already have an existing workflow on the Workflow section, but if you don't, you'll be able to find a Create Workflow button in this section. Now in here, go ahead and start the workflow. Choose a trigger. This is what starts the workflow. So such as a new channel number, emoji reaction, scheduled time, link click, webhook, and then set the channel where that workflow should exist. And then after that, click on that continue button. And then you need to go ahead and add what this does once the trigger is actually done. So in here, you need to go ahead and select the result action once the action on the trigger was done. And then after that, make sure to set this to the channel where the reacted message is. So select the channel where the trigger was done and was set, and then click on this save button at the bottom right to save this workflow. And that is how you can basically create and use Workflow Builder on Slack. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.